Hey guys, you want to make these amazing waffles? Follow this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Hey guys, today we're going to make my favorite, bacon and waffles. Now we're going to make the waffles without the buttermilk. We're just going to be using warm milk with butter, but without, you don't need to buy the 1 liter buttermilk. So a little bit more easy. So we're going to start off by separating the dry ingredients from the wet ingredients. You're going to need 2 eggs, 1.5 cup of warm milk, how much? 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. The warm milk, you could put about a minute in the microwave, just nuke it like that, that'll be fine. Then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of all-purpose white flour. So pretty much we're going to incorporate all this into the big bowl and this in this one. All right, let's start this. So eggs, we're going to beat them. Vanilla. Butter, melted. Warm milk. All right, so now we're going to grab the flour, sift it. Salt. Baking powder. Sugar. Whisk. So now incorporate the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And whisk. Alright, so that's the finished result. That should be your batter for the waffles. Alright, so preheat your waffle maker. I like to use Pam Original. Spray some on the inside. It won't help it not stick. Get yourself a ladle, and this will rise almost double in size. So do not over pour in there or it's going to come out everywhere. Look at that, guys. Perfect waffles.